Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss this question to some input array sorted. Let's see in which companies this question has been asked. So this question has been asked in lots of companies: Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Yandex, Apple, and so on. So let's go to this question and see what it states. Given a one index array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where index 1 is greater than or equals to 1 but less than index 2, and index 2 is less than or equals to numbers dot length. Return the indices of the two numbers index 1 and index 2 added by 1 as an integer array index 1 index 2 of length 2. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Your solution must use only constant extra space. So the elements are given in increasing order. So for this we have to find two numbers with different index such that their sum is equals to 9. So we can see that first index and second index 2 and 7, they have sum equals to 9. Similarly 2 and 4 here have sum equals to 6. So that is why we return first and third index 1 and 3. In this case minus 1 plus 0, these two have sum equals to minus 1. That is our target, and that is why we will return 1 and 2 like first index and second index. So I hope you have understood this question, and let's see how we are going to implement it. So what we'll do is we will use a two pointer approach. We will point our left pointer to this 0 and right pointer to this numbers dot length minus 1. So our right pointer will be pointing to last element, and then we'll check what is the sum of these two elements. Like 15 plus 2 17 is greater than our target. So now we want to decrease our sum because target is smaller. So in order to decrease, we will have to move this right pointer left side, because then only our sum will decrease. So now our sum will become 13. Now also we will check, like 13 is greater than target, so we will have to decrease our sum. So we will have to decrement our right pointer. So we will decrement it, and right will be pointing here. Now we will check 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9, and then we will return this as our answer 1 and 2. Same will happen in second case. Like left will be pointed to this and right will be pointed to this, and we will check 2 plus 4 is 6. So already we will get our answer 6. And similarly here left will be pointed to this and right will be pointed to this, and we will check this left minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, so we will return our answer. In case where left plus right sum is less than, then we will increment our left value, because in that case we want to increase our sum. So in order to increase our sum, we will have to right shift our left pointer. So that is the explanation. I hope you have understood the explanation. Let's go to the code and see how it is implemented. It is quite easy. Like we will define n as the numbers dot size, and then we will define these two values. L is 0 and r is equals to n minus 1. So L will be pointing to this first index and r will be pointing to the last index. Now we will define our answer vector int ans, and then we will check while L is less than r. So because we want different elements, so while L is less than r, then we'll check if numbers L plus numbers r equals to target. If it is equals to target, then we have found our answer, and then we'll push answer dot pushback L plus 1. This plus 1 we are adding because we want our answer in 1 based indexing, like this L and R in 0 based indexing. And then we'll push our right pointer by adding plus 1 to our answer, and then we will return our answer. In other case, else if our numbers L plus R is greater than target, that means we want to decrease it. So in order to decrease it, we will move right pointer to left side, so R minus minus. And in other case, our numbers L plus number R would be less than target, so we will have to increase our left pointer so that we can increase our number sum, and then it can be equal to target. So this is a solution, and then we will finally will return our answer. If it is not returned here by chance, then we will return our answer. Like suppose there is no condition like matching, then we will return this empty array. So that is why we are returning answer here. So this is like ON solution, and our n is given as 3 into 10 to the power 4. So this should work. Let's try to run it. It is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So it is getting accepted. It is own solution and it is working fine. I hope you have understood the explanation of this question. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So subscribe to my channel, like my video, and let me know in the comment section whether you have understood the explanation of this question. So thanks and have a nice day.